Safety is a property casualty insurer based in Boston, Massachusetts. We distribute our products exclusively through independent agents. At the end of last year, we wrote in total roughly $650 million. We wanted to make sure that as national players started to move into the state, that we'd be able to frankly compete with them on price and get better at it. And understanding the incredible levels of segmentation that some of these national companies use, we recognized that we just didn't have that capability and that we'd have to develop it. Over the years, we've seen an explosion in the access and availability of data. Our traditional tools to handle that were completely inadequate. So at that time, we started searching for partner companies, and ultimately we chose EagleEye. So job one with what we did back at that time was to differentiate between, okay, of the business we possess today, what's the business we want to keep going forward? What is that core that we really want to target? Frankly, what has the greatest contribution to the bottom line? To date, we've been very happy with what we've been able to hold on. Our bigger strategy was to bundle the accounts. So in addition to maintaining what we were writing before in the auto side, we've also written a great deal, nearly doubled our homeowners writings in the same period. And frankly, it's helped our retention a great deal. Our pricing model has gone from a very simplistic one to a very robust tiered type approach. We've leveraged EagleEye software to help develop the guidelines that we use today on our agents' desktops. Some of our current initiatives that we have going on is to provide our sales and marketing folks with more and more granular data on the quality of the business that we have. We've developed a term here that we have a regular loss ratio and we have an EagleEye loss ratio. And the EagleEye loss ratio relies on the segmentation to tell us how well an agent should run based on the composition of their book. Additionally, we've just started to flirt with using the EagleEye segmentation to also help us look for fraud markers. With EagleEye, one of the other appealing features of doing business with them is that they continue to enhance their products. As that user interface continues to improve, it allows us to just spread it throughout the organization, make it that much more valuable and productive of a tool. The second area that we're very excited about is the lifetime value capabilities. For all of us doing this, the new business pricing is a huge challenge, but having a better understanding of which policies are going to generate the most profit over a span of years as opposed to this term makes it a lot easier for us to make some of our pricing and frankly some of our discounting decisions. First and foremost was the robustness of the engines. But the second appealing feature, and we saw as a huge differentiator, was the interface layer that EagleEye's software provides. It would be able to get it out of not just our actuarial department, but be able to spread it across the floor to underwriting, claims, our marketing and sales people, so that they would be able to leverage the data that we had available. EagleEye's staff has provided a huge value add in terms of consulting to safety. The organization has frankly worked shoulder to shoulder with our people to be able to bring all of those pieces forward, and that's also helped us a great deal. The final value add that EagleEye provides, and it's very valuable for a company like Safety that is more of a local player as opposed to a national one, and it's just to be a sounding board as our actuaries come up with thoughts of ways to be able to use the tool to take on challenges. It's great to have a partner that can actually tell you what they've experienced. Really enhances our staff's ability to be able to take on what they have to take on.